Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a beautiful sparkly holiday look. I love this look. It was sort of inspired by a look that Mario did on Kim K. It kind of adds like a wet type of element to the look, which is really weird, but I added the glitter because it is a holiday, so it is more appropriate now. We can all wear a little bit more glitter. That Christmas and New Year's is just around the corner. I really hope that you enjoy this look. So let's go ahead and begin. I started with a little skincare prep. I love this repair cream from Biossance, and for my under eyes I did the Helix under eye cream from Volition. It has like a little primer feel to it, which is awesome if you have fine lines or anything like that under the eyes. I'm sure we all do. I'm going to be using my Marc Jacobs coconut primer. This is awesome because it's really lightweight, but it's really effective and really hydrating. And for my foundation, I'm also going to stick to Marc Jacobs. It does have its own form of hyaluronic acid, so if you are a little bit drier, especially around this time of the year because of the weather, just taking these extra steps or just different products with more hydrating benefits to it really help the skin feel a little bit more comfortable, and makeup does sit a little bit nicer if your skin just is a little bit more hydrated. And for my concealer, I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This does have a little bit more coverage, so if the foundation doesn't do it all, this can definitely cover whatever else you need to cover. And it is a little bit lighter, so I'm also going to give myself a nice highlight with it. Now moving on to my eyeshadow, I'm taking this pencil from Nude Sticks. It's in the shade Terra. I like to apply this as a base, but because it does have a little tint to it, it's also going to almost act as like a transitional color. So I'm just blending this all over my lid and on my lower lash line. Taking a shinier color also from Nude Sticks, this is in the shade Angel. I'm applying that into the inner corners of my eyes and also on my brow bone. Now taking my Elements palette from Urban Decay, beautiful shades. I'm going to pick up one of the gorgeous tones. It's like a terracotta, really warm tone, matte shade, and applying that into the crease of my eye and just really trying to diffuse this color all the way into the crease of my eye from inner to outer corner, and also bring that down to the lower lash line. Now picking up a really warm golden or like light bronze tone, I'm going to first wet my brush, pick up the shade, and apply it all over my lid. Well, not all over, maybe about like a third of my lid at least. And then just take your brush and just make sure that it's perfectly blended in. So that should pretty much do it with the eyeshadow portion of this look. It's super easy. Now I'm just going to make sure that my lash line is lined perfectly, and this was my first time using this pencil and I'm truly obsessed with it. I haven't played with a lot of Milk makeup products. Everything that I have tried so far, I've been actually really pleasantly surprised. It's so matte, so creamy, so full coverage, really black. So I like to line this on my lash line just to make sure that my lash line is super saturated. And then I'm taking another product which I'm obsessed with. This is the Dagger eyeliner from Kat Von D. It's very similar to her Trooper liner or like the Tattoo liner, but this has a very sharp edge, so it does help you create that perfect winged eyeliner. Now moving on to the glitter part of this look, I'm going to take my Urban Decay eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. I like this because it has a really fine tip to it, so you can apply it precisely right in the very center of your lid. And what you want to do is just follow that all the way up to the very highest point of your brow arch. It sort of looks a little bit weird, but once you take a couple steps back and see kind of the look as a whole, you notice that the eyes actually look a little bit more three-dimensional, or even have like a really glass finish to it, almost like gloss. It's really unique, really pretty. It reminds me of a recent Kim Kardashian look. Alright, so once you got that on, we can finally move on to the eyebrows. I always like to keep my eyebrows till the very end, or at least till my eyeshadow is done, because I hate getting product on my eyebrows. And you know, obviously the eyebrows should look like they're sitting on top of your face, so sometimes they can get buried in there with all the makeup. So I like to just keep them clean, and then after apply the products that I need on my brows. I'm going to be picking up my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to pack this all over my face. I usually stick to right on the center of my face, because that is obviously where I get a little bit shinier, especially around the nose area and around the mouth. I'm going to do a little bit of a cream contour. This is just a concealer, like a really dark shade from Urban Decay, and I'm just going to apply that right on the hollows of my cheeks and blend that out. I'm taking a liquid highlighter from Anastasia, and I'm just going to dot that right on the highest point of my cheek, and then just blend that out using a brush. I want to keep this look a little bit warm and a little bit more bronzy, because I want this to really complement the eyes. So I am going for a nice pop of color on the lips. So I'm taking another nude 6 pencil. This is in the shade Vino, and these are really awesome because they are already pencils, so they do act as a lip liner, obviously, so you can line your lips really precise and then just fill it in, super long lasting and matte. And then you want to just make sure that you set your face. I'm using a setting spray from Marc Jacobs. And that is it, you guys. That is the completed look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget that I will be posting a lot more videos this month, because I actually do already have them pre-filmed. So if you are interested in more glitter, then please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.